In this video I'm going to get into a little bit more depth in TradingView. So in the first video we saw how to install TradingView. I just want to remind you, TradingView is the tool where you can see any token, crypto, stock, and you will do your technical analysis and you will place a trade, but not a real trade. You need to get on an exchange in order to make a real trade with real money. But on TradingView you will start practicing, you will start set up some potential trades. So here you see the icon TradingView. I'm opening it and I will show you some cool stuff. So if you are a beginner, check all the things I'm going to show you. Stay until the end of the video because all these things I made almost 1 year to learn them. So in this video you will see a lot of cool stuff. So here is the TradingView and we're watching about Bitcoin. Let's start exploring TradingView. Whenever you want to see a coin, you can choose between time frames. What a time frame means. Just look at this final small green candle, this one, and here up you see it says 1 day. You see that it's blue, it's selected. So here we are watching Bitcoin at the daily time frame. So this means each candle was 1 day. Now each candle is a 4-hour time frame, etc. 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. In order to show all these time frames here, you can go on this arrow and you want to add to favorite the time frame you like. I believe all the time frames I have with this yellow star. You are going to need it in the future. So here you will see all your favorite time frames. Another thing is you might be having issues with the colors. If you press Ctrl and click and go to settings, you will be able to change the colors. Some people have a problem with watching red because red means danger, and they feel wrong about it and they do mistakes with their trades. One very good thing you can do, you can turn your candles into black and white, let's say, and let's see how we can do this. So if you want the green to be the black, you just go here you press and you turn this black, black and black, and we're going to change now the red to white. So the wick you want again to be black, the borders you want again to be black, and the body you want to be white. And of course you should change right now the background. Let me. So you go to canvas, background. This is a gradient, so you choose a solid, and you want to have the lines vertical and horizontals. You go here, so you see you have some lines. This helps you not to get lost on the trading chart. So as you see, we change the color, and you can do pretty much whatever you like. So here the black it's actually the bullish candles, and white is the bearish candles. Bullish candles means we're going up, that the price is moving up, and bearish means it's going down. Okay, so what we did by pressing and go to settings, we changed the color of the TradingView. Next thing you want, if you set something you don't like and you want to recover the original settings, you go again at settings, and here you apply defaults. So you see here you reset the settings of the screen of the chart. Okay, let's see the next thing. I'm not making it as it previous because I want to show you something important. Here you can change how you see candles. I'm not going to go all of these settings, but I will show you what has helped me. The main chart you should watch it on candles only. Okay. Another thing that we might use it in the future is Heiken-Ashi. With Heiken-Ashi, you see big moves, that all here you see this big move, and all the candles are red. In reality, this is not all the candles red, but Heiken-Ashi candles can understand a trend. So if you would enter in a trade here and you wanted to stop when you see green candle, you would stop somewhere here and you would take a very big and profitable trade. This, as you see, doesn't happen always. You see here it goes from red to green, but it will be a very helpful tool. So remember that you can change from simple candles to Heiken-Ashi, and maybe in the future catch something like this. Another thing I am using sometimes is the line. You can see here, you just see a line going up and going down. Sometimes this can be useful. For my opinion, until you get very experienced, you should only use candles. And I will explain later why candles I believe is better for now. Okay, and here I want you to let you know another useful tool. When you are going to take a trade, the secret in profitability in trading is to plan for a trade and to enter at a specific price range. You know that support and resistance is very important in trading. For example, we are on Bitcoin on the 4-hour, and you see the last days BTC is ranging here at this price levels 97,000 until 95,800. So our support here is 95,800. If you want to take a trade and you believe that the price will go to the upside, you will want to enter in the trade when the price visits again this level. So in TradingView you can set an alarm, and with this alarm the program will make a sound when it reaches your preferred price. And how you set this alarm? You go to the price you believe it's your support, and as we can see it's 97,800, and you press, you see this line, and you press this plus button. And when you press this plus button, it says add alert on BTC on the current, you see the price that you set your alarm. And when you do that, you will see a dotted line, and if you go with your mouse above, it says when BTC crossing this price, it will give you a sound. If you want to hear the sound, you can press again here, you can double click, you can go on notifications tab, on settings, and let me we do it again. That's how you delete a notification. So I go here, I press the plus button, add alert, okay, so it's on notifications. I didn't see it before, I'm sorry. You go and check play sound, and this is how much you want the sound to play for. You can test what works better with you. 30 seconds is too much, it will be annoying, and you can test what sound you want. This is a nice one. This is, so you see sometimes I use this, but this it makes you a little bit anxious, and I think this is cool. 3 notes reverb, you can use this. So if the price comes and visits that level, it will notify you, so you can take a trade when you are ready. So this is one of the coolest tools you can have, because you actually do not need to be on the charts all day. This is a big mistake. For 1 year I was something like 8 hours on the screen, but not anymore. I am just making my technical analysis. I'm getting notifications when I want to take a trade, and there are specific times I have to be on the chart because I know it's going to be a reversal or it's going to be a trade on a token that I'm looking. A very big secret is to start trading only with one token and only one strategy. We will talk later about this, but I want you to know, guys, that really this is what works. Okay, let's go to the next tool you are going to need. Here is the toolbox. For how many hours I'm speaking to you, I have checked the cross. With cross, you see, you don't do anything specific. You just you can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can expand and shrink the chart, as you see here. You just want to play and to see how this works. Okay. The next tool, it's very useful. It's the trend line, and how you draw your trend lines is a very big good thing, because you can identify trend change and you can take really big trades if you follow a strategy. For example, here I will show you how this works. A trade you can draw here, for example, is from this bottom line to this low prices. So you could draw this trend line when you had this and this, and this is your lowest point, and you could identify a potential reversal here, and you could have taken a trade from here until here, and thus that would be a very good profitable trade. Another trend line you can draw here is something like this. From the top, you go again from the top and top here, and you could identify a bounce in this price, also a bounce here, and here you see it broke, but it came back again. But trend lines can be really helpful in the future, and we will see many examples later. But this is just for you to understand how you can draw a trend line and how the tool works. Another tool, pretty good tool I would say, is the parallel channel. It's here. A parallel channel can give you very good trades, and an example here of the, I'm sorry, let me delete the previous trend lines, and here we take the parallel channel, and let's say we draw this. You really have to practice a bit on how it works. If Bitcoin was somewhere around here, you could and start dropping, you could draw this parallel channel. And what you can see here, when you could take a trade when if it was down here, it could be a very good point that Bitcoin could bounce, but it actually never did. Another thing here, you could either short Bitcoin or long. Here you take a potential trade of what you believe it might happen. What the parallel channel helps you is to see that Bitcoin is breaking out of the channel or is coming down and bouncing from the top of the channel. This tool can really help you take profitable trades if you use it right. The next tool I would like to... Here we have horizontal line. Horizontal line, you can draw your support, and every time you visit this line, which is your main support for the current range of Bitcoin, you could take a long trade. A long trade is you believe that the price will go up when it reaches your support. But if you see it breaking your support, it means that the Bitcoin could fall down. Of course, you could see this fake out, that this actually didn't fall down, but this is just to take liquidity. Liquidity is the orders people have already opened, and the price comes here to stop people who went, let's say, long from here, or long from here. So this is actually the price trying to stop out traders. So it doesn't mean that because it fall a little bit it will go down. So you have to know that you can see many fake outs. Okay, let's go to the next tool. And this is a vertical line. If for some reason you believe you need a vertical line, sometimes you will need to see, let's say I started my price from here, I want to see how and where it goes. You can draw a vertical line. You can use it as you like. Let's see the next tool. As you see, there are many tools, but from my experience, those are you actually need right now. The next tool is the Fibonacci, but I'm not going to go right now into this tool. But I want to show you this tool, which is the long position and the short position. When we mean long, is we are betting that the price will go up. And this tool helps you set up your trade to see how much, if it goes wrong against you, how much potentially you will be lose. You could place your stop, and how much you believe it could go up. So we take this tool, and let's say the Bitcoin was right here, the price, and we believe it will come down here, and we take a long. This is the green. You put it where you believe the price could go, and your stop where you want your trade to stop if it goes against you. So an obvious stop here, you see, you take just a little bit under this fake out. So you see, if your entry will be at support, you are going to lose only 2.82%. And if you win, this trade, you will gain 11.6%. This win or loss percentage is if you take a spot trade. I will explain later what is a spot trade, but I believe most of you know. A spot trade is when you put an amount, let's say 1,000, and you don't put any leverage. Spot actually is the safest way to go in trading, but many people want to use leverage. I will talk more in depth about this, but I just want to explain about a potential trade. So if you could take that trade here and you actually ride the trade until that point, you would make 11.53%. So if you would put something like 1,000K, you would be in profit at $153. So this is how it works, and this is for a long trade. So you see how the tool works, and there is the opposite tool to take a short position. A short position you would take, for example, from here. You would put your stop loss somewhere, you see, above these lines, and for sure you would be targeting this support line. So actually, if you see this range, support and resistance, actually, you see, it works with a small fake outs. Yes, we have small fake outs. So you could take trades. Okay, the first time you didn't know that this is a big resistance, but these trades you would be able to take it because you see here you have a resistance, and you see here you have resistance, and you could enter somewhere here and write all this down. And support, all you see that works most of the times. Okay, here no, but here it worked. So the most obvious trade is if BTC will come again here and will not break down, you could take a long up to here. But because BTC has visited a lot of times this area is getting weakened, and if it visits sometimes more, it could break down. Okay, so you see how to take, how to plan a long trade and a short trade. Okay, let's go to the next tool. Okay, let's see. Here you have a rectangle. Many times when you draw your support, you might be needing to draw a rectangle, and I will explain you why. Okay, this is your support, yes, but it never actually one price. It's actually in a range. So if you believe that BTC will bounce here, you draw a rectangle on this area, so you see the price approaching your rectangle, and you can open a trade when you believe it's the time. So don't expect always that it will visit exactly this price. It will be some a little bit above the price or below. So this way you sometimes you will need to have to place a rectangle outside of your horizontal line. always also you have a brush tool. With this you can draw whatever you like, but actually a very useful thing is to plan your trade in your mind, so when the time comes you take the right trade. So it might happen